It's your girl Mad and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a full-time reseller, part-time DIYer, and if I can do it, so can you. So today on my channel, we're gonna be redoing parts of my kitchen, which we already redid this kitchen. Like we painted the cabinets, we redid the countertops by painting them. That is actually like a fake backsplash. It's just like a stick and peel vinyl. But when I moved in, that was in 2019, it is now 2023, and we need to redo it. And it's starting to peel, and the white is starting to turn yellow. So let's get into it. You can tell by the countertops here that they're kind of just peeling, and the mango stain over there, that's been there since I basically did the counters. So it's really been bothering me. I've been really peeling it back. You can see behind the sink how some of it's peeling up from there. So it's time to get this off. This is me just peeling it off. You can see how easily it's been peeling. It does come with a primer coat, so I don't know why it comes off so easy. And then Kendra started to just scrape it off with the scraper, and at the same time I started peeling off that vinyl backsplash. This was a lot easier, but it did take some time, some pliers, and a little bit of strength. But this is something that I need to do because I'm gonna paint this, so make sure you're subscribed so you can find out how I paint this backsplash. I'm not doing the same as my countertops. So at this point, we decided that there's gotta be an easier way to scrape the countertops. This has also been a few weeks since we did this. I've been living with this ugly shit for so long, but we went to Home Depot, talked to the guy, and he said paint thinner, even though I thought we were gonna need paint stripper, but he recommended paint thinner. So we ended up getting paint thinner, and let's see how this works. I wanna scrape the rest of this stuff off and get it going so that we can start repainting. Okay, so I just basically used that paint thinner that the Home Depot guy suggested, and I painted it on the countertops and on the backsplash area where I had some of that other primer from before. And I really was hoping for the best at this point. And this is where Kendra started scraping the countertops, and it did come up a little bit easier, but this was not what I was expecting. I thought it was just gonna peel right off. Sure enough, I found Safinol. This is not a sponsored ad, but I glopped that shit on there, and this stuff literally peels your countertop right off. I did find another video with another brand, but that's no longer around. So this was my saving grace. If you made it this far to the video, do me a favor, just comment below fresh, because those countertops are looking so fresh, back to that original color. I cannot wait until I paint them. That is coming up in the next week. I will be posting that video as soon as I can, and then I will have a backsplash video for you. You liking, sharing, hitting the bell, doing those things encourages me to make more videos. So if this was helpful to you, hit the bell, subscribe, like, share, and do the things. Peace out. It's your girl Mad, and until next time.